Hello, I'm at a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm going to show you today how to get this to release for your gas cover so you can get gas. So it's got a locking mechanism, so you just go up here on your driver's side controls, and then right here you'll see a button to push. You can even, I don't know if you could hear that, but there's a little sensor indicating that it worked, and this unlocked, at which point just feed your gas in like normal, your regular unleaded premium, and when you're finished, close this up and it'll auto lock again. So again, you'd have to push this button again to open, and if for some reason it's not working, it might take a few tries, but could have some kind of loose connection running from here to the sensors back here, or possibly something kind of gunked up in the lock or the hinge here that once you do get it open, maybe need a little cleaned out or a part replaced. Hopefully something simple. Might need a mechanic to look at it of some sort if it's, these buttons aren't working for you. But I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.